Hi children. Now we want to discuss about living and non-living things. Now you are in your house, then you can see so many things inside your house and outside your house. What you can see inside your house? Chairs, table, plates. We can see so many things. And the outside, what you can see? You can see plants, birds and animals. Okay, in this, some are living things and some are non-living things. First we want to discuss the living things. What is living things? Living things can move from one place to another. Non-living things cannot move. Living things can move from one place to another. Look at the dog and the puppy, cat, kitten are running, walking. We are also walking. But the non-living things, your book, pencil can walk? No. Living things can move alone. Then next one. Living things can breathe. But the non-living things cannot breathe. Then living things can breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Then look at the small puppy and the kitten. They are some days later they become big cat, big dog. Okay, the small one become big one. What do you mean by that? They are growing. Living things can grow, but the non-living things cannot grow. Then your pen, your book can grow? No. Non-living things cannot grow. And also the living things can eat food and drink water. The non-living things that need water and food. The living things also reproduce their young ones. But the non-living things cannot reproduce their young ones. I will show you some pictures. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? A chair. It can move from one place to another? No. Then it can breathe? No. Does it grow? No. This is non-living things. Then look at this. What is this? This is housefly. This can move. This can fly. Okay. This is grow and this is move from one place to another. So this is a living thing. Then what is this? This is tree. This is a tree. It is also a living thing. It can grow and it can breathe, reproduce flowers, fruits, seeds and small plants also. And so this is a living thing. Then what is this? This is a musical instrument. Right? Is this living or non-living thing? This is a living, non-living things. This is a non-living thing. It cannot move, it cannot walk, it cannot eat. So this is a non-living thing. Then what is this? This is a clock. It is also a living, non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. Then what is this? This is a doll. Doll can talk with you? No. Doll can play with you? No. This is a non-living things. It does not grow, does not move, and so this is a non-living thing. Then what is this? This is a computer. It is also a non-living thing. Then what is this? This is crow. Crow is a living or non-living thing? Yes, this is a living thing. It can move from one place to another, and it grow and it reproduce their young babies, and also it can eat the waste and food items, and so this is a living things. Then what is this? This is fish. Fish also a living things. Okay, then now we had studied the living things and the non-living things. What is living things? Living things can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce their young ones. Then what is non-living things? Non-living things cannot move, cannot breathe, cannot grow, and cannot reproduce their young ones. So we had studied now the young living and non-living things. Okay, thank you.